Hey guys, welcome back to Regular Secular Mama. I'm coming at you live from my tiny little bathroom. I spent the morning fighting with my phone and my internet connection and my slow computer trying to get my latest video uploaded, but I finally got that taken care of and it's all set up. If you missed it, there is a giveaway within that video. If you're interested in winning a duplicate copy of a book that I ordered and I'm really looking forward to, you can check out my Vlogmas Day 10 video. So we don't have much planned for the weekend. We do need a new desk though. If you were watching my Vlogmas videos, you know that my husband ordered a digital art pad thing. It's a drawing pad for animators and digital artists. But this thing is huge. It's like bigger than our desktop. So we really do need some more surface area for it, and we've been needing a new desk anyway. We went ahead and placed an order at Office Depot and we need to go pick that up, and I would like to get it set up by the end of the weekend and organized, hopefully. So I'll see you later.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, we are on our way to a farmer's market place that's near our house. We haven't checked it out yet, but since we have some time this weekend and a friend of mine is there with a booth set up, we're gonna go check it out. Check out what we got in the mail after we got back from running our errands. Just what I needed, more books. Y'all have no idea how long I have wanted a nice big desk. Unfortunately, we don't have an extra room or a space that can be, like an office that's set aside. But this works for us. Our living room is so long that, we have this nice corner that we can use. But that desk just didn't work. It didn't have enough surface area. I was always crammed at our little school table with the kids trying to get some work done, and I'm just really looking forward to having a nice desk. The finished product. What did you call it, honey?
Our creation station.
Our creation station. So this took the better part of our afternoon and evening, but we finally finished, and tomorrow we'll just get it all organized and put together, but I am beat. Alright guys, well that's pretty much all I have for you today. That really was kind of an all-day thing, getting our desk and putting it together. But I'm glad to have it done. It looks so much better over here and a lot less cluttered. And we have space for all of our devices and things. Well, thank you for joining me for another day of Vlogmas. Tomorrow we're going to be working on our Christmas cards that we are hand making this year because I didn't order them in time. I should have another video up for you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.